Hi, my name's Andy. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be comparing and contrasting two different types of folding bicycles. Right here we've got the 16-inch wheel folding bike, and over here the 20-inch wheel folding bike. So if you're thinking about buying a folding bike, you'll probably be asking yourself, what size wheels do I want and what's the difference? Hopefully in this video I can give you a few tips and help you out. So my preference when I'm riding a folding bike is the 20-inch wheels. They're just a bit bigger, the bike goes a bit faster, and it can carry a bit more gear for when I'm cycle touring. These bikes are fairly similar, but there are also some differences. So this 16-inch is a good bicycle. It is more suited for just around town riding rather than over any great distance. So we'll have a look at that one first. So what we got here is a typical 16-inch folding bike with a single speed. You can see it's quite light. I haven't weighed it, but I'm guessing it would be around 12 kilos, maybe 10 kilos. And you've got one speed gear on the wheel, so you don't have a gear shifter to worry about with this bicycle. Some other good aspects of this bike: it does have a carrier on the back here. This one is kind of built into the frame, and it's perfect for going and picking up the groceries and various other small items if you happen to use it for shopping around town. So the small wheel size does mean it goes a bit slower, and it does also have quite a bit smaller crank than the 20-inch folding bike. Some of the similar things that you will see if you're buying a second-hand folding bike like this is you'll see that it has the same type of brake drum in the back. You'll find this quite often. And in the front it's just got the normal cantilever brakes there. So this type of bicycle would be perfect for just short trips, and perhaps anything that you wanted to have a bicycle in the trunk of your car, for instance, or just have one around the house if you do need it. Or if you're hopping on trains a lot and travelling short distances, say if you commute using a train to get to work or a bus, you can take this bike, the 16-inch folding bike. Now we'll fold it up and we'll have a look how small it folds down. So with this folding mechanism on the seat just goes down like that, and there's a similar folding mechanism on the handlebars of this 16-inch folding bike. Doesn't actually drop down too far, but what I like to do with this one is just pull the handlebars right out and put it alongside the frame. There's just one pin to pull for the folder. The folding mechanism there, you just pull that right up and the bike folds in the middle. So that's your 16-inch folding bike. Folds down pretty small. Again, I totally recommend that if you just want an extra bike kicking around the house, or to do the shopping, or going to work just a short distance. Now the 20-inch folding bike. This one is a little bit heavier. I know that this one weighs about 15 kilos. Some of the things that you'll notice on it are the same, some of them are different to the 16-inch. You'll see at the back you've still got the, there we go, the drum type brake, but on the other side you do have gears. So there's a 6-speed Shimano gear on the back. Pretty good, not super good for going up any big hills, but it does give you a little bit more speed along the ground. Perfect for on flat ground, this one. So you'll see that it's got the carrier on the back just like the 16-inch. But on the front quite a useful front carrier to carry a little bit more luggage. And you would have noticed that the folding mechanism for the handlebars on this bike is slightly different. So we'll have a look at that now, we'll fold it now. So, it just flips up. And that folds down flat against the front wheel like that. It's quite a useful feature. So if you are looking to buy a folding bike, I would recommend buying one with the folding handlebars like this, rather than the folding handlebars that were on the other bike. And again, this has a slightly different folding mechanism here to fold it in the middle of the frame. So we'll fold that up now and have a look, see how small that comes. There you go, that's the 20-inch folding bike folded up. And that's a bit heavier and a bit bulkier, but a bike like that will still easily fit in the trunk of your car, or perhaps in a cupboard, or you can fold it up to roll it onto a train or a bus if you're commuting. So, there you go. That's another comparison video between two folding bikes, the 20-inch folding bike and the 16-inch folding bike. As you can see, it doesn't take long to set them up again and get ready for riding. There's the 20-inch bike ready to go. And the 16-inch bike. Again, it doesn't take too long to set it up. So pretty useful little pieces of equipment, these folding bikes. And if you're looking to buy one, then hopefully this video has had some useful information for you. My name's Andy, hobocyclist. You'll find heaps more information on folding bikes on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.